everyone, so I wanted to show you a little unveiling of the paper mache kit. I know a lot of you guys are sending them out as gifts, so you actually won't see it yourself. So just to give you a little sneak peek so you know what your recipients are getting. So they're going to be coming in these white boxes. Open it up. This is for a set of 2, so remember, if you pick the set of 2 or the set of 3, you do get a better deal, and you can totally mix and match, so you don't have to do just one animal. You can pick whatever animal you want. Leave the notes and comments and I will do that for you. This one's going to be for the cat and the cow, so you can leave a gift message. And then inside you're going to get 2 of the certificates for their animals, and they get to fill this out, which is actually really cute. And then you get a coupon, and then you get the instructions for each animal. Very detailed instructions. Remember, this is a 2-day process. This is the cow, and this is for the cat. And then here's all the paint and glue that you need for the cow. And then all the paint and glue that you need for the cat. The balloons and the strips that you will need for each animal, individually packaged. So there's 2 of them. 2 paint brushes, the chip brushes. 2 of the smaller brushes for the facial features. 2 bowls to mix your glue and water mixture. 2 stands to put them on so they don't roll around, and it'll be easier for you to put all the strips on it while you're doing the paper mache, as well as when you're painting, and as well as when you're letting it dry. Remember, when you let it dry and check on it, kind of rotate it, because the bottom part won't dry as well as the top part. These are the 2 stands that you can use afterwards when you're done to display it. 2 plates for your paint, so you can put it on here, or you can leave it in the containers, whatever works for you. And then you get 2 sets of 2 parchment papers, which will be for your workstation, so you don't get your table messy. And that's it. I hope you like it. I hope your kids or whoever you're gifting it to enjoys it as well. Thank you so much.